Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create a channel on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now, to create a channel on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app on your phone, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface. Now, in order to proceed to create your channel on Telegram from over here, guys, you can see there is a camera icon and a pen icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If we scroll down, it disappears, but when you scroll up, it reappears again. In order to create our channel on Telegram, we'll be required to tap on the pen icon for us over here. And when this interface appears, you can see there is a new channel option available for us just below the new secret chat. Tap on new channel and you'll be required to enter the channel name. You can rename or name the channel whichever you like, and I'm just creating a demo channel for a videos tutorial purpose, so I'm just typing in the TEG demo channel. And with that being said, guys, you can customize your channel from over here. Type in some description, demo channel. For demo purpose, you will be required, or you can add a more description for your channel. And with that being said, guys, you can also add the photo if you want to. Tap on the camera icon over here where this kind of interface will appear. You can see you can choose to take a picture from your camera, or you can just allow it from your gallery, or upload it from a gallery if you want to. With that being done, guys, the full photo will be uploaded over here. And with that being done, you can see the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that tick mark at the top right and your channel will be created. You can choose to make a public channel or a private channel, whichever you choose. It's the same one, either private one or a public one. The difference is the channel, if the public, everybody will be able to connect to it or join it, but if it's a private channel, only you will be able to accept them into your channel. So I'll be just creating a demo private channel. So that being done, guys, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen and your channel will be created. Now it's time to add some subscribers over here, and after adding a subscriber, you can choose many from over here. And let's tap on the blue arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see, guys, our demo channel has been created. You can choose to make a public one if you want to, but for a demo purpose, I'll be just creating a demo channel over here, which is a private one. And there, guys, this is how to create a channel on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.